Rory says Price is Right at 7 o'clock on Grampian, but now, though, it's time for the news and sports stories. North Tonight.
Good evening, this is North Tonight.
The headlines first at 6. Petrol begins to flow, but drivers face further forecourt frustration.
Non-trial hears claims accusers were motivated by greed.
And disputes over fire services in the Highlands.
Tonight's main story. Petrol supplies are beginning to flow around Scotland, but drivers yelled. That's all from the North Tonight team for this week.
We're back at 6 on Monday. So until then, good night and have a very good weekend.
Bye.